everyone, welcome to day 5 of our STEM summer camp. I'm your camp counselor, Connie, and I'm a rising senior going to Liberty High School.
Hi, I'm your camp counselor, Emily Liu, and I'm going to be a rising senior at Friends High School.
So today we'll be making a parachute, and the materials that you'll be needing are a coffee filter, some string, a plastic cup, and some tape.
Okay, so our first step is going to take your pieces of string. You need exactly 3 pieces of equal size string. So they should be about medium in length. And then you're gonna take a piece of tape and take one of your string, and then you're gonna tape it on your coffee filter that's upside down. So just tape it anywhere on your coffee filter. First, like this, on the outside of your coffee filter. Now you do the same for your other 2 pieces of string, but making sure they are equally spaced apart from your first piece of string. So you just tape it again, and then you take your third one off. So it should look somewhat like a jellyfish with 3 pieces of string hanging down.
So now you're gonna grab your little plastic cup, and then you're gonna tape the string onto your plastic cup.
So your final product should look like this. The 3 strings on the coffee filter are equally spaced, and then the 3 strings on your small plastic cup is also equally spaced.
So now you can test it out by dropping it from upstairs or just from a higher place. And it should float down. Another experiment you can do is you can grab some pennies, and then you can put them into the cup and see what happens. So as you probably noticed, as you add in more pennies, your parachute falls faster.
So this is a very simple experiment that you can use to test how a parachute prevents objects from falling at the speed of gravity.
And this is partly thanks to air resistance.
So the air resistance basically from the coffee filter prevents the pennies or the cup from dropping at its greatest speed down towards the ground.
So thank you guys so much for watching our tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed making your parachutes.
Thank you guys so much for coming.
Bye!